Hi, this week's Canva Quick Tip is all about housekeeping really, or getting organized. I'm going to show you how to create folders where you can keep both your designs and any images you upload, which is really useful if you have a team or you just want to actually find things easily. I'm Kim from Beer and Graphic Designer and a Canva champion, and I have a team. I want to be able to share my designs with my team members. So it's really important that I do manage to do some housekeeping and keep my folders neat and tidy. Let's go over to my Canva screen and I'll show you how you can create folders. We're here on the home page, and to create a folder, first thing you need to do is go to projects. You can see I've got a little project shared with you, but I'm actually going to go to your projects, which obviously would be my projects in my case. You can have unlimited folders in both the Canva free account, Pro, Teams. The limitation, I believe, is on the number of items you can have in each folder. For a free account, you can have a maximum of 200 items, and for a Pro, Teams, Education, non-profit account, you can have up to 1,000 items. So let me create my first folder for you. As I said, we've gone into projects, and you can see a plus here, and it just says Add New. I'm going to click here. And you can see folder. And it's now asking me to name my folder. And this is going to be Canva Quick Tip Videos. So I can invite my team members two ways, because I have a team account. I can either type one or more names here, or I can click this drop-down arrow and view from not shared to can edit and share. I'll notify my team members and then create and share my folder. I'm now going to go to folders. And this is a new one I've just created, and as you can see, it's got nothing in it. I'm going to open this folder, and here you can see I can create a design, so I can upload directly from my computer. I'm now going to go back to the projects folder. We're still in your projects, and I'm going to keep it on all, but I could move to designs, and I'm going to show you two ways of adding a design to a folder. First one is to click on these three dots, click on Move to Folder, click on your project, find the folder you've just created, which is my Canva Quick Tips videos. Click on that and add it to folder. If you're like me and you've left lots to be done, then I can just click on tick the box there, because these are all to go in my Canva Quick Tips video folder. So I've got all these ticked, and I just need to move to the bottom of my screen. And you can see I've selected 6 designs. Click on the Move to Folder icon. And again, click on your project. Find my new folder, which is my Canva Quick Tips videos. Click on that. Click on Move Folder. And now it's moving all the 6 designs I selected to that folder. If I go back to my folders and now check the items, you can see I have 7 items in here. This has been shared with my team. Invite more people to view this folder. And other things I can do, I can rename it, I can create a presentation from it, or I can delete it. I hope that helped and you found it useful. I'll see you next week.